Yo, wanna run come here. Yo, this is the first banana ever exists on the planet. Just back our family there, let me show them some truth. So let me go up on Google. Look what Google say. Come here. Alright, so the botanical name, yeah, we're talking about taxonomy of the banana. Musa acuminata, seeded banana, otherwise known as wild bananas or stone bananas, are botanically classified as Musa biblisa, Musa, different botanical name for them because man change up his in. Watch out. All modern bananas and plantains are descended from this and other wild species. Go on Google and check for yourself. Watch me now. So in Jamaica now, the old people, let me tell you, say, you know, when you not because you're old, that no means you're smart. The old people them carry one, what the ratty they would call that, man, one propaganda upon the banana, yeah, claiming that it's poison. No, you see, for arrogance side people, this was brought to Jamaica right now. In a Jamaica, in a one parish there, where they was doing an experiment for small dummy seeds them. For what? Small dummy seeds them. For create one banana called fear banana. It come from Honduras. Cause see the banana have seed. Because you know when plants have, when fruits have seed, it meaning that it is organic and not GMO. So watch me now. Then trick the public and one old people in our era carry around about the banana is poison. You see, for arrogance I world, I am willing to poison myself in front of the world. Me eat it already, you know, but more sure no. This banana is totally have the highest potassium because you have the highest potassium because all banana come forth from it. See that? And this a banana you they have to say it poison. See that? You know what I mean? It's full of seed though, you know, full of seed. And it's sweet, very, very sweet. Now the seeds them bitter. So I would advise you if you crack them. Because more likely, you know, say bitter go come with a little bit of either acidity or alkalinity. So but here. Yeah, people still the arrogance. So the fear banana FHIA research they have in Jamaica now with them minus you see them, decrease you see them, and have fear 17, fear 03 where them are using the agricultural sector them. Not tell nobody, say me tell them, you know. And that me they have to expose them. See it here, yeah, alright. And right now the only fish spot in Jamaica experimental spot, and these are there, and the people them have to say pipes and they run from it. Well, I don't see how long me live. Later here. Yeah man, for more inspiration like this, check out my new book on Amazon, Earth, Book 1, and also locally here in Jamaica. Yeah man, stay tuned. Close line, who can wear it best? You will be getting a prize, a herbal package prize. Hold that.